Hey guys, my name is Jordan with nuCamp. Today we're going to be showing you how to dewinterize a tag. So when we talk about dewinterizing, all we're really doing is draining the antifreeze out of the system, running a sanitizing solution through the plumbing, and then just flushing it with fresh water. Let's get started. You'll first need to drain the antifreeze out of your tag. Open the freshwater tank drain until it is empty. Once it is drained, close it back up. Next, you'll want to flush the system with a sanitizing solution of 1/2 cup bleach per gallon of water. This equates to 2 cups of bleach for the 8-gallon freshwater tank. We filled a water bottle with bleach as it is easy to fit into the gravity fill. You can then connect one end of your hose to city water. Be sure to use an inline water pressure regulator. Hold the hose into the gravity fill to top off the tank with fresh water. Once it is full, turn on your water pump and run the sanitizing solution through the faucet in the outdoor kitchen until it stops running pink. Repeat this process with the external shower. Empty the remaining sanitizing solution from your fresh tank. Now fill your tank again with fresh water. Open the faucet to flush out any residual sanitizing solution. Do the same for the external shower. Turn off your water pump and empty your freshwater tank drain once more. You are now dewinterized and ready for the camping season. We hope you found this video helpful. If you do have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at tech@nucamprv.com. Thanks for watching.